Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your listening history on YouTube Music using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the bottom of your screen, you will see a different tabs like Home, Samples, Explore and Library. Go ahead and tap on Library. Inside the library, you will see sections like Playlist, Album, Artist. What you want to look for is Recent Activity area. Just tap Recent Activity. Here you will see the songs, album or playlist you have played most recently. This is your listening history in a quick view. You can also manage your history here. For example, if you want to remove a song from history, just tap the three dots next to it and choose remove from history. That way it won't show up anymore, and that's it. Now you know how to manage your listening history on YouTube Music using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.